Very good morning, children. So today we will be discussing addition and subtraction of decimals. So before that, I have explained you the concept like decimals. What do you mean by like decimals? Like the decimal numbers, if you see the decimal numbers, to that decimal numbers, after the decimal, if they have same number of digits, what I mean to say, 3.45, 6.32, 7.54. Now if you see these decimals, after decimal I have 2 digits. After decimal I have 2 digits. After decimal I have 2 digits. So for all the 3 decimal numbers, after decimal I have 2 digits each. Therefore, these are called as the like decimals. Got it? These decimals are called as the like decimals. Then how to convert unlike decimals to like decimals? Suppose I have here 7. Alright. And see 3.457, 6.32, 7.5. So these are the decimals. If you observe here, after the decimal I have 3 digits. After the decimal 2 digits. After the decimal 1 digit. Now should I call these as like decimals? No. Why? Because after the decimal point there are unequal number of digits. There are unequal number of digits. Therefore, these are unlike decimals. Now what to do to convert these unlike decimals to like decimals? Right. Now let us see the highest one. Now among these 3 decimals, which decimal number have the highest number of digits? This one. How many? 3. Now here 2. So what I am going to do? I am going to add 1 0 in order to make 3 digits. And here after decimal I have 1 digit. So to make it 3, what did I done? I have added 2 zeros. Now if you observe, each and every decimal has 3 digits after the decimal point. Therefore, I have converted the unlike decimals to like decimals. Got it, children? Now this concept you are going to use by comparing the decimals, while adding the decimals, while subtracting the decimals, and also while add or subtract the decimals. So before adding or subtracting any decimals, is it 2 decimals or 3 decimals, whatever is it, first we have to check whether they are like decimals or not. If they are unlike decimals, we have to first convert them into like decimals and then we have to add. Okay, now let us see one example. 1.05 plus 7.8 plus 1.56. Alright, now I am going to add 3 decimal numbers. Now if you observe, after the decimal I have 2 digits, after the decimal 1 digit, after the decimal 2 digits. Now is it like all the 3 are like decimals? No. We have to convert it into like decimals. Now if you see here 2 digits, here it is 2 digits. Now here we have to make 2 digits. So what are you going to do? 1.05 plus 7.80. After that what I am doing? I am adding 0 in order to make it like decimal. Plus 1.56. Now you are going to add the decimals. Now let us arrange 1.05, 7 always decimal under decimal children. Okay, 7.80, 1.56. Now we are going to add the decimals. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. Carry over 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry over 1. Decimal. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10.41. So this is how first you are converting unlike decimals to like decimals and then are adding the decimal numbers. Got it, children? Now let us take another example. Let us add another set of decimals. 9.09 plus 8.085 plus 12.75. Alright, now first you observe whether they are like decimals or not. Before adding that, you have to check whether they are like or unlike. Okay, now see, after decimal 2 digits, after decimal 3 digits, after decimal 2 digits. Are they like decimals, children? No, they are unlike decimals. Now we have to change them into like decimals. Now what is the highest number of digits after the decimal? 1, 2, 3. Now I have to make every decimal number into a like decimal such that after the decimal point it has 3 digits. Alright. Now what I am going to do, simply I am going to add a 0. That's it. Plus 8.085 plus 12.75 0. That's it. Now let us arrange it. 9.090, 8.085, 12.750. And then you are going to add up all the 3 decimal numbers. Got it, children? The same procedure you are going to apply it for the subtraction even. Got it? So this is how addition and subtraction of decimal can be done. So what are you going to check? Before adding or subtracting, you have to check whether the given decimals are like or not. If they are unlike, you are going to change into like fractions and then you are going to add or subtract. Okay, children? So here we just conclude the class, and in the next class we will discuss about the use of decimals. Okay, children? Hope you understood this concept. Thank you. See you in the next class.